Sleepy tall? Forgot how tall? Tell Grandpa how tall you are. I like it when you do the squeaky one. Can you do a squeak? Do a squeaky one. Yeah. Oh, who's the squeaker? Who's the squeaker? Layla! She's a squeaker! Who's the squeaker? Yeah. Yeah. Say, hi, Grandpa. Can you say hi, Grandpa? Yeah. Say hi. Oh. Boof. Hi, Grandpa. Oh, that seems kind of serious. You don't want to say hi, Grandpa, anymore? Okay. Alright. We don't have to say hi to Grandpa anymore. We can sit down. Aww. You don't want to sit down?